Salty, salty. The slang salty describes someone who is bitter, irritated, or upset, especially over something small or trivial. It's often used when a person is acting annoyed in a way that's obvious to everyone around them. Maybe they're complaining, giving short answers, or still thinking about something that bothered them. The word can also imply that the person is overreacting or should have already moved on, but they're still holding on to that annoyance. Here are some examples. He's still salty about losing the game. She got salty when they didn't invite her. Cringe, cringe. Cringe describes the feeling you get when something is so embarrassing, awkward, or uncomfortable that it makes you pull back or react with secondhand embarrassment. It's used for moments, actions, or behavior that feels socially awkward or hard to watch. Examples: I can't watch this, it's too cringe. That joke was so cringe. Fire, fire. Fire is slang for something that's extremely good, impressive, or high quality. If something is fire, it means it's amazing, like a great movie, outfit, performance, or idea. It's a strong compliment. Examples: this pizza is fire. This food is fire, bro. Hit different. Hit different. When something hits different, it means it has a special effect, feeling, or taste compared to normal. It feels unique, stronger, or better than usual. It often describes things that suddenly feel more meaningful, emotional, or enjoyable. Examples: cold water hits different on a hot day. Homemade food hits different. Ghost, ghost. To ghost someone means to suddenly cut off all communication with them with no explanation. Person disappears like a ghost. Examples: if you don't want talk, just say it, don't ghost. Don't ghost your friends just because you're busy. The slang bail means to leave somewhere suddenly or unexpectedly, often without finishing what you were doing or without giving much warning. It's an informal, casual word that people use when they have to go quickly, cancel plans, or decide to walk out of a situation. When someone bails, they're basically saying, I'm done, I'm out of here. It can happen because they're bored, uncomfortable, in a hurry, or simply not interested anymore. Here are some examples. Sorry guys, I gotta bail, I've got work early tomorrow. He bailed without saying goodbye.